Hi guys, today we are making Kalakand. We will need 1.5 liters of milk. Let it boil slowly. Add 2-3 tablespoons white vinegar. After adding vinegar, stir well, it will curdle slowly. Strain the paneer. Press well to remove extra liquid. Wash with clean water to reduce the smell of vinegar. In a saucepan, add 1 liter of milk. Cook in slow flame and stir frequently to avoid the milk to stick to the pan. Add 1 pinch of saffron strands. It will give a nice fragrance and yellow color. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and continue to stir. Cook the mixture until it becomes a thick consistency. Slowly incorporate the mixture well and try to break the lumps. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more according to your taste. After 10 minutes, the consistency will change and the water will be evaporate and will look like this. Transfer to a grease container and let to set. Garnish with your favorite dry fruits. And enjoy your delicious and homemade Kalakand.